give you the pop quiz. Because it would take too much time. You want it?
Nah.
14. Why not?
Next time. Yeah, there you go.
I mean, it's, you know, it's not gonna hurt you. I'll be finishing the gram stain while you take it. How's that?
Sounds like a terrible idea.
On this little pop quiz, just don't forget to put whether you have 2A or 2BB, 2AA or 2BB. A whole bunch of people didn't do that. Did you give every other one a different one, like 2A to this person, 2B to another one? Just take out a Scantron. Okay, it's time. Everybody be watching me, don't do anything else. She's just gonna hand those out. Watch. That's got it on, I'm going to shake it. I'm going to pick it up like this, and I'm going to aim the water around it and down. Look, the water is still pretty purple when I'm taking it off. I'm not putting a tremendous amount. Some of it ran behind, so I've got some of that off. So there. Next, I'm going to use my grams iodine. And the previous step is what?
Water.
Well, it's, yeah, water. So I'm going to put it on, shake it off, and put it back on for 1 minute. Why? The previous step was water. Iodine would be too dilute if I just put it on. Set it flat, let it set for 1 minute. That'll be about 35 after. Key point is coming up next. The most important thing I'm going to do is next, and that's the washing. How do you prepare for the decolorization step? You pick up the grams alcohol and you make sure you get at least 1/4 to 1/2 of a drop of pool. And the top is ready. You put the water next to it. You look for your time. Okay, it's now been a minute. Key point, watch. Shake off the iodine. Do not use water. Take the 1/4 or 1/2 dropper full, squish it. Grab the water, wash immediately. Around it, not at it. Then put your saffron on for 2 minutes. Since the previous step was water, I'm going to put saffron on, shake it off, and put it back on. Then I'm going to let it set there for 2 minutes. When the 2 minutes is up, I'm going to shake it off, wash it, blot it, add oil to it, look at it under the microscope. Go do it. You can go ahead and get started on your pop quiz. As soon as you finish the pop quiz, put it up here on my desk. Don't forget, last name first. Your class is M13432. And to put PQ2A, A, or 2BB. You need a Scantron? I got one. Just have to erase it. Like 20 years old. Just use the back side of this.
342.
Oh, she got one for you? She needs one too? Okay.
Yeah, what's that?
Here.
342.
Use the back side of this. Up here. So I'm going to have up here on my desk the gram-negative E. coli that I made and the smegmatis I made last class. Please look at them. It's important that you see what they look like. Remember, you make sure the microscope is not on. You turn the light on, bring the condenser up, and put the slide in the pincher. Keep the 10X into place. Oh, the numbers 7 and 14 are errors. Something about AA and BB, and I believe it's number 7 and number 14. And number, let's see, so number 14 on BB should be D. And on 7A, it should be D. Questions poorly written. You can see both E. coli and smegmatis, 1 gram negative, 1 gram positive. Come up and look through the microscopes when you turn in your blackboard. Anybody need to take the essay again? You need to take the essay again, come pick it up. Remember if you had do you remember if you had red or blue on the exam wires? Just that extra copy. Anybody have a Z on the old test that we just took? Remember if you had a Z? Anybody remember if they had a Y? Y?
I had a Y for the.
Yeah, the one we already took? Yeah. I just have extra copies of the hard stuff.
Yeah. You gotta ask. Come on. We don't put our name on this, right?
Oh, are they on here?
Oh.
Is Dunn here tonight? You didn't get a grade sheet, did you? I printed one out.
So I'll just leave it in here.
About?
When you get in the drawer, so yeah. And you can use this until right out if you want to get that box or whatever.
I think I found what was wrong. Yes.
The other places, the other block. Oh, here's one.
Next time, when you bring it back in, I'll stamp it. Okay. When you come from, or make it up, done? It's done here? Yes.
You'll know by the way we picture. So start it out. Stick it there.
So, would you like for me to go over the answers with this?
Yeah.
All right, so listen up. Which solution is the primary stain in the gram stain? Crystal violet. When the final result after proper gram staining is pink, the stain is said to be gram negative. The correct order of the gram solutions is, and the answer is crystal violet safranin. Number 4, the negative stain is not really a stain, colors the slide, does not stain the microbe, is a way of visualizing a sugar capsule, so none of these is incorrect, was the correct answer. Number 5,
I read that instead of these.
I know you did.
So mean.
Everyone does that, that's why I put those in there. Number 5, the blank cell wall is thin and thus alcohol removes the primary stain in 1 to 2 seconds, and it is gram negative. Number 6, the mordant in the gram stain is iodine. Number 7, the decolorizer in the gram stain is alcohol. Number 8, which of the following external structures does not make a microbe more pathogenic? Flagella. Remember we went over the capsule, slime layer, and fembri with gonorrhea. Number 9, microbes are naturally clear. Number 10, the major difference between the preparation of a smear for mager and one prepared for broth is that the broth smear does not require water. Number 11, a smear functions to, and the answer is attach the microbes to the slide. And, hold it a second, A and B, and kill, yeah, functions to, tells you both things, yes, A and B.
Good.
Number 12, which of the following would be the tint of white light used for best viewing microbes in our class? Shortest wavelength, let's see, yellow, white, green. And number 13, we began focusing using the 10X.
Isn't it violet for?
Yeah.
You can't see ultraviolet.
You're such
Evil.
a trickster.
Yeah, what you want, yellow pop?
Yeah.
The blah, 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 what?
The liquid that you use is the crystal violet and then iodine and then alcohol and then.
There is, but it didn't give you that choice. It said which of the dyes, crystal violet and saffron. Is the red line on?
Oh, yeah. I just knew.
Get it on? Yeah, well, good luck. You turn it off. Okay, you press the red button. There, now play.
I think you can use it because doesn't it have corners?
My phone's out.
How many slides did you wash?
I watched more.
Ready for today to pass it? I think it's still recording.